So today we're going to break down a really powerful AI prompt system. Its goal is simple: to get you from overthinking to actually earning your first $1,000. If you're just tired of all the advice and you want a real action plan that actually works, well, this is for you.
You know, does this feel familiar? You're kind of drowning in free business advice. You've got like a dozen different ideas floating around, but you're just not taking action. It's that classic analysis paralysis, right? And it's what keeps so many amazing people completely stuck at zero, never making that first sale.
The core idea we're diving into today is all about one thing: momentum. Seriously, forget the $1 million goal for just a second. As you can see here, the fastest path to $1 million really does start with your first 1,000. The second you get that first paying customer, everything changes. Suddenly you've got proof, you've got confidence, and you have a clear path forward.
Okay, so how do we actually get there? Well, the solution is this focused framework called the 1K Money Sprint. Now, this isn't about building some massive long-term business in a week. No way. It's a targeted sprint designed to get you from absolute zero to your very first paying customer as fast as humanly possible. And just to be crystal clear, the single solitary goal of this AI-assisted sprint is to get you that first customer. It's all about building the momentum you need to finally break that stuck at zero cycle for good. All right, let's get into the mechanics of it. It all starts with prompt number 1, which is focused on one simple thing: figuring out what on earth you can sell right now. And what's so smart about this prompt is that it forces the AI, Claude in this case, to be super practical. You're asking for ideas based on skills you already have. It can't require an audience, and this is key, it has to be something you can start selling within 48 hours. This whole thing is about speed, not about perfection. And look at this. This is what it spits out. It's brilliant. Based on a background in, say, writing and tech, Claude generated these two incredibly concrete ideas. Notice they're not vague concepts, right? They are specific services for a specific type of client. You could literally start selling either one of these today.
Okay, so you've got a killer offer. Awesome. But what's next? Instead of trying to reinvent the wheel, prompt number 2 is all about finding a mentor, someone who has already walked this path and succeeded. Now, the crucial part here, the real magic trick, is the limitation. Limit it to one person. This is your defense against falling into that research rabbit hole, where you spend weeks watching videos from 10 different gurus and never actually do anything. You pick one role model and you study their playbook. That's it. And, Claude is smart enough to even include this critical warning. The goal is not to become an expert on your mentor. The goal is to get a customer. So you give yourself a hard cap on research, maybe just a few hours, and then you immediately shift your focus to outreach. It's all about action over consumption. So we've got an offer, we've got a mentor, now it's time to actually build the plan. This is where prompt 3 comes in, and it's got one really, really important instruction inside. This is just fantastic. Not only are you asking the AI to channel your chosen mentor, but you're forcing the most important activity to the very beginning. Customer acquisition must start on day 1. There's no fluff, no getting ready to get ready. You just start selling immediately. And here's the kind of plan it generates. Notice how the first few days are about building your assets. Sure, but from day 4 onwards, it's all about outreach. The entire plan is just relentlessly biased towards taking action. But what if you're the kind of person who will look at that 20-day plan and still find a way to put it off? Well, don't worry. There's a bonus 4th prompt designed specifically for you. This thing is a total game changer. It forces you to confront your own potential failure points head on, and then it ruthlessly simplifies the plan, just cutting away anything that isn't a direct line to getting paid. I mean, just look at the difference this makes. The comprehensive, maybe overwhelming strategy becomes a simple sticky note on your monitor with a daily DM quota. All the complex steps gone, replaced by one singular focus: volume. Just send the DMs. It is literally impossible to overthink this. Now, we've walked through all the prompts, but let's talk about the most crucial takeaway in this entire process. Because the real secret here, it has absolutely nothing to do with the AI.
This quote from Claude's output, this is everything. The AI can give you a perfect offer, a perfect mentor, and a perfect plan. But none of it matters if you don't actually do the work. The bottleneck isn't the strategy, it's always the execution. And this number, 300, is here to make a point. Success isn't about one perfectly crafted genius message. It's about the sheer, consistent, sometimes boring effort of doing the unsexy work. It's a numbers game, plain and simple.
So the huge takeaway is this. The real skill you're building here is outreach. Volume becomes your best friend because it gets you data and feedback so much faster. And ultimately, that action is what creates the momentum to carry you way past that first $1,000. And that brings us right to the end. This system can give you a clear, actionable path in just minutes. The AI has done its part, so the only question left is, will you do yours? Will you take the rep?